Go ahead. Come on down. Show everybody you know how to do it. Oh man, can you say hi? Wave to the camera. Okay, you can go again. So plans were to fly a drone at this park here. But none of the drones wanted to charge last night. I don't know if there's a battery issue, a charger issue, or what's going on with them. I'm gonna have to look into it a little further. Probably just buy myself another drone again. But yeah, so I figured I'd just show you all a little Liam video today. Go ahead, Liam. Yep, you on YouTube today. Oh man. Hi, Liam. Come on. Let's go over it again. Come on, let's go. No, get up here and go down the slide. Show everybody you can do it again. Or do you want to go down the curvy one? You want to go down the big one? Okay. Come on. Be careful. Be careful. Oh, man. There you go. Go on. Go, Liam. Oh, man, Liam. Oh, man. Well, they got to see you do it. Can you tell them all bye?
Mom, bye.
Wave at the camera. Say bye.
Bye.
Blow kisses. You're too cute.